Today's topic is how to open any application in your desktop using batch file. You can even open multi applications at the same time using batch file. Let's run the batch file. It asking you press 1 to open notepad. When you press 1 and press enter, it will open 3 application files at the same time. One is WordPad, second is notepad, third is command prompt. When you again press it, it will exit. How I am doing this? Let's have a look. First, create a text document. Now write the code as @echo of, then echo press 1 to open notepad, cmd and wordpad. Now we have to set the parameter. I am taking run as a parameter and giving the condition if run equals to 1, go to this location. Now after moving to the location line, you can see there are 3 statement is given. One is start notepad, start cmd, start wordpad. Then I am writing pause, then exit. When I will save this one, I already told you in the previous lecture that for creating batch file we have to select all files, then give any name, suppose open dot, and you have to give the type of the file as .bat for batch file, and it will save on the desktop. Say open. Now whenever you double click this one, you can also change its icon by taking a shortcut to the desktop. Create shortcut here. Now you can change its icon as I already discussed in the previous lecture. Now when you will double click on this open.bat file, it will ask press 1 to open notepad, cmd and wordpad. When you press 1 and press enter, it will open wordpad, notepad and command prompt. Again when you press any key, it will exit. So in this way you can use bat file for opening multi application at the same time. Nowadays we are keeping many files and application on our desktop, so that it is hazardous. Lots of file is there in the desktop, so it is very difficult to find a specific file or application. So where if you make batch file for opening multi application or single application, you can by using by running the batch file you can open any application at a same time. If you are used to open some of the selected application for daily purposes, then it will be very helpful for you. Now another program is also there for opening multi application. Here I am echoing 6 options. When you press 1, it will open Notepad. When you press 2, it will open command prompt CMD. When you press 3, it will open WM player, that is media player by default provided by Windows. Then by pressing 4, it will open WordPad. Again by pressing 5, it will open Acrobat Reader or Adobe Reader. It will open Google Drive Sync. So let's see what happen if I press 2. It will open command prompt, and due to loop function it will again ask you to open Notepad, command prompt, WM Player, WordPad, Acrobat, Google Drive Sync, but it won't happen in the previous bat file. Whenever you press 1, it will open multi application at the same time, but you won't ask again. See, again the message press 1 to open Notepad, CMD and WordPad is not coming again. So in this example file I have used loop, which will again and again echo function Notepad, CMD, WordPad, Acrobat Reader and Google Drive Sync whenever I pressed any button from 1 to 6. But at last when I press 6, it will open Google Drive Sync. And I need to show you one thing. You can see here Google Drive Sync option is not there, but if you want to open it manually, every time you have to go to C drive, program files, then Google, then drive, then double click this icon. Whenever you double click this exe file, then only your Google Sync file will application will open, and it will automatically sync all your data what you have stored in Google Drive. I kept it off while I am starting my desktop, because at startup if you link many application at the startup to open, then your processor will get slow. That's why I'll off this one. So whenever I open my desktop, I usually do it by manually, but when I came to know about batch file that will help you to open multi application at the same time, then I use this one, and it is very helpful for me, because when I use this batch file, when I press 6, it will open Google Sync. Wait for a second, it will appear here in the startup tray icon. In this panel, Google Sync Drive will appear. See, your Google backup and sync from Google is appear. So it is very helpful for me, because I don't have to go any in the computer, then go to C drive, then go to specific program file, then go to specific Google Drive files, then I had to open the Google Sync. But by this way, using this technique, I can easily open the or run the sync from Google sync application from Google, which is very convenient for me. So how I am doing this one, let me show the code. First I have written echo of, then as I am using loop, so I written loop colon loop, then echo press 1 to open notepad, press 2 to press 6 to Google Drive. Then I use the run parameter, set the run parameter here. Then I used if condition. If run equals to 1, go to notepad. If run equals to 2, go to CMD, like this one. Now come to the notepad first. When I press 1, it will go to the notepad. Let's by doing practical. When I press 1, it will go to notepad and open the notepad software or notepad application, and again it is showing the same echo statement by using loop condition. You can see for percentage f in run do echo percentage f, that means it will again show all the numbers. Shift go to loop, it will go to loop and show all the echo statement. Then again go to CMD. When it will go to CMD, when I press 2 for run parameter, it will go to CMD and again doing the same. Similarly for WM player, Windows Media Player, it will do the same. WordPad do the same. Acrobat do the same. But at last Google Drive Sync, as it is my last application, I use like this one. It will go when I press 6, it will go to Google Drive Sync. Start the Google Drive Sync.exe file, then pause, then exit. Means when I press 6 here, it will open the Google Drive Sync file and it will ask to enter any key to exit from this batch file. When I press enter, it will exit from the batch file. So in this way you can open any application or multi application at the same time, which is, as I press 6 for opening the Google Drive folder, it opened the Google Drive Sync folder last. By this way you can open multi application at the same time, which is very convenient for office users. Those are used to work on same application and multi application daily in their life, so they will find very convenient by using this batch file and this batch programming. Thank you for watching my video.